How to do ghost zoom on Capcut. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Quick Guide. Today in this tutorial video I will show you guys how you can do ghost zoom on Capcut. So let's get right into the video. Firstly, make sure that your application is up to date. Now open your Capcut application. Now select any one of the video you want to edit. For example, I will select this video. Now once you are on this page, just simply click on the video. Once you select on the video, you can see different options at the toolbar. Search for the duplicate option and click on it. Now again click on overlay option and put that overlaid video at the beginning. Once you do that, you can see two of the videos. Now select the overlaid video and add the keyframes where you want to start the ghost zoom. Again select the part where you want to end the ghost zoom and zoom in a little bit on the video. Tap on keyframe button and again go to the first keyframe. At the bottom of the toolbar you can see the option of blend, click on it. Once you click on it, here you can see the option of normal, make it to the 20. Once you play the video, you can see the video is slowly ghost zoomed. So that's all. In this way you can do ghost zoom on Capcut. I hope this video helped you. Don't forget to drop a like and subscribe to my channel. We'll see you on next video. Till then, stay tuned. Bye bye.